We have heard facts like planetary bodies actually do produce sounds, but before we get to listen to the sounds of the different types of planetary bodies, so let's first find out how these sounds were actually detected from space, because we know that sound does not travel in a vacuum, which means that if anything, we get a recorder or any instrument that is used to record sounds, it will record zero, it will record nothing there in space, because it is a vacuum and sound does not travel in a vacuum. So how did they actually detect these sounds? Ladies and gentlemen, though the space does not produce sounds, but it has radio waves and magnetic vibrations in it. So these very magnetic vibrations can be easily converted to audible sounds that a human being would be able to get. So they have done that by detecting the vibrations and waves by the means of technology to translate them into audible sounds. So let's listen to how these different types of planets sounds like, and then we're gonna tell how and why do they sound like this, because there are some sounds, maybe the earth, the sun and other things, and how they sound. So listen to the sun. So that's how the sun sounds like after the waves and vibrations have been translated into audible sounds. And there you go with Mercury. This one sounds like it's an alien ready to attack. So listen to it carefully. There you go is Venus. Venus is the so-called twin planet of the Earth, but however its sound is contrary different to the one from the Earth's sound. And then here comes the Earth now, our very own planet. I think this one, by its sound, you could even tell why it sounds like this. The reason why the Earth is able to sound like that, because of the features and its nature, like the trees, the oceans, also water, so it can sound that way. Then equally Mars could sound similar to the Earth. This is the red planet that is somehow similar to some features of the Earth, like desert. So this one, mostly, ladies and gentlemen, it's more of a desert thing, so it has some sounds that could contribute to the Earth sound. And this is Neptune, and it's the largest planet, so its sounds can be a little bit different from other planets though. So Neptune, it sounding more like a wide place with nothing in there, like it's a wide thing, it's a big thing, but it has nothing. there comes the Lord of the Rings is Saturn. Saturn is another planet that is more of ice. So you could tell that when ice, sometimes those that have been exposed to more of ice, if it was to be placed in an empty space, so this one sounds like that of the earth, but due to its windy and it has at least 63 moons. They are frozen planetary bodies at the far end of the sun. That's the excluded planet though, Pluto. But it's one of the planetary bodies though it has been excluded from the planets because of its nature and attributes, but otherwise it is one.